Seventh chords are those bluesy types of chords that you'll see in many chord progressions, particularly in something like the 12-bar blues, and they add a lot of interest to a progression. Now for this F7 chord, you're only going to need 2 fingers. Paul, which 2 are they?
1, 2.
Sorry?
1, 2.
Ah, okay. And as you can see, the lads are showing you it's just your first and second finger. It's the first finger that's going to do all the heavy lifting here. And if you look at the chord chart there, you'll see the position of it. And also if you look at my fingers, there's the first finger. It's covering the top 4 strings at the first fret. And there you can see. First fret here, first finger covering there. The finger position isn't exactly flat. It's not like that because that's not really possible because it's too difficult. It's more kind of curved like that, maybe slightly arched. And your thumb at the back of the guitar, back of the fretboard, is going to be pushing quite hard because we need to make sure that all the 4 strings sound and they will ring true. So for example, have a listen to this. As you can hear, the 4 strings sound quite nice, like so. And the thumb is helping out because if you're not pressing hard enough, you won't have enough strength to play the chord. It's quite tricky to get all of those strings sounding, and one thing I would suggest is making sure that you are using light gauge strings, as they can be really beneficial, especially when you're starting out and you're trying to get used to all these chords. And now the second finger. So you've got the first finger there. The second finger is going to go on the 2nd fret of the G or the 3rd string, like so, just here. And what you'll have is this sound. And again, I'm pressing quite hard at the back there with my thumb to help me get the sound of those strings. Otherwise, again, if I release my thumb and I relax a bit, it's quite hard, but I'm pressing quite firmly at the back there. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, learning this shape is pretty tricky, but the benefits of knowing this particular shape are terrific. Hit that like button if you're getting value out of this. So let's do a little bit of practice, and we're going to do the 12-bar blues, and we're going to play this version of the 12-bar blues with not only normal major chords but also some 7th chords as well. So we're going to be playing 3 bars of C followed by a bar of C7, a bar of F, then a bar of F7, back to C, C7, and then here comes a really great little part that I particularly love. It goes G for half a bar, G7, half a bar, then F, then F7 for half a bar, then C, half a bar, C7 to a G7 for a whole bar, and then the whole thing repeats again. It's one of my favourite blues progressions. I'm getting so excited, I'm slurring my words. So here's a 12 bar in C with C major, C7th, F, F7, G and G7th chords. Here we go. Let's play this with a nice simple rhythm and slowly too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you need help with any of those chords, then please check the link in the description for a couple of playlists to both major chords and also 7th chords too. Now this chord shape is absolutely fantastic, and if you want to know what else you can do with this chord, then click this link here. If you got to the end of this video, then why not click the notification bell for more content just like this? And if you've reached this far, why not type in the chat, "I can play an F7 chord!" Thank you. Happy strumming and see you in the next video.